not every process is going to be a fit for what your end product's going to be. And I think this is a good point. We do have a lot more detailed, slides and other things on our website. But just what are we looking for in a casting versus a fabrication? What is the quantities needed? What casting method is going to fit your part depending on the complexity of it.
Yeah, and any good foundry, if they know a part is not going to be good for their process, they will tell you instead of trying to make it work. So having the right wall thickness, quantity, size, all of that matters. And if the foundry knows what they're doing and knows their process well, they'll be able to tell you that, and they'll also be able to recommend a different process, even if it's a different casting process to explore.
And I think that's where we consider ourselves to be experts, right? We don't always have the answer for being able to control that in-house or being able to produce your part in-house, but at least we can take your products, take a look at it, get it to our engineering team if Rachel or I can't make that decision, and see what process would fit you better, or are you doing it correctly now and maybe casting's not for you. So I think that bringing that information to us and letting us help you guys along the way is a great process.
Yeah, definitely.